Hello and welcome to the Fast Car Big Build in partnership with eBay.
So in this 12-part series, we're going to take this humble Honda Civic Type R and transform it into a scene-leading machine using eBay to buy the tools, parts and accessories we need to get the job done.
We're also going to list the OE parts that we don't need, so if you're after a set of Civic Type R wheels, make sure you check out our eBay shop. Right at the beginning, the actual model of the car is the Civic FN2 Type R and it's a GT spec.
Just one little problem with that though, mate.
Yeah.
I thought we were getting a black one.
Well, it is black.
It's bronze.
Okay, well it is actually known as a deep pearl bronze, I believe, which is actually a rare colour, so it's a bonus, although we'll probably change the colour at some point during this build.
But what does it say on the logbook?
Bronze.
So it's bronze.
Stock wheels, 18-inch inside. I'm not sure.
Pretty big to be fair.
It is, but I think we'll probably have to go bigger, probably go 19s, 20s, and obviously something a bit special, maybe a 3-piece wheel, but we'll come to that on another episode.
We're not doing 22s with spinners.
Well, maybe. The other benefit that people don't actually talk about with the Civic FN2 Type R is a big old boot space. Get loads of stuff in here.
There you go.
Cheers, mate. As you can see, you can fit a midge in there, yeah, loads of space in there.
I mean, I like that. It's loads under here, and I think it's begging for a nice big air tank, massive audio setup. You know, you can't go wrong with this sort of space.
No, we put get those purists a bit upset and upset the chassis balance.
Why not?
One of my favourite parts of this generation Civic is the interior. I mean, it is lovely.
I mean, it's the iconic Civic Type R interior, isn't it? It comes in red, it's lovely Alcantara. I mean, yeah, you've done well.
And this one's not too bad actually. It's gone around the gaiter, they'll do that. And the bolsters normally get really worn in these cars, but this one's pretty damn good again, but we will give that a refresh. And another common problem is the clock, the LCD displays go, and our one has.
Yeah, I mean, that happens on most of the Civic Type Rs of this generation, so it's not a problem. We'll find one of those for not a lot of money online.
Yeah, get a second-hand part.
Easy.
No problem. Midge, what are you doing?
I'm looking for the most important thing in any build. Oh, go for that lock nut key.
So yeah, we move on to the engine. It's got the 2-litre VTEC in there, legendary engine.
Yeah, I mean K20. What sort of power is it kicking out? I mean,
standard, they're 198 bhp.
Which is a fair amount, but to be fair, it does weigh 1.3 tonnes, and you can probably double that when we get in it.
I think these were the last NA Civic Type Rs, weren't they? Which is kind of ironic because we're going to need more power, so...
Turbo, supercharger, nitrous.
All the above.
See what we can get.
Yeah, brilliant. And yeah, of course, we've got the exhaust.
Yeah, I mean, Honda do this lovely trick of building it into the bumper and making it look all spanking when underneath is actually just a bit of rubbish. Mild steel is really restrictive. So we're going to have to whip that off, put on the stainless steel one.
Just been through the whole car, so should we get in it and take it for a test drive?
Yeah, let's go for a spin.
Generally, this is quite a good, tidy car. We've actually bought a good base model car.
Which is a first for us.
It is. It's only taken us 20 years of doing this to realise to start from a good point rather than a really bad one. Got the audio. What do you think of this lovely head unit?
It's rubbish.
I think we need to upgrade that and do that, and I reckon, yeah, these seats, get them a little bit of a retrim.
Do people still use CDs? Is there any in it?
But our viewers probably don't even know what a CD is.
Yeah, probably right.
It's getting hot in here. Does the aircon work? VTEC, right, let's give it a go. Right,
VTEC.
So, there it is.
There it is. Woo! VTEC just kicked in, yo. Oh my God.
What?
I feel sick.
Why? Why do you feel sick?
I just don't like being a passenger.
Is that why you want to drive?
Yeah, but you won't let me.
I think someone's already beat us to the first modification.
Yeah, they're pretty terrible. It's like the 2000s all over again.
Yeah.
I know that geezer, why do I know him?
We probably robbed him once. I think the clutch is all right at the minute, but I think if we put any serious power through it, think we might have to look at that. And we could also go, we could either go performance or stock, depending how much power we do put through the car.
Certainly if you're going forced induction, then you're going to want an uprated clutch at the very least. Especially if we start doing any track time in it, and what were you driving? So I think the key for this build is re-enhance rather than ruin. I think totally stripping it all out would be a bit of a mistake.
Yeah, and the other thing is I've got to drive it to a few events this year, and stripped out cars are great fun, aren't they? Until you've got to do a 2-hour journey in the baking heat.
Yeah.
So I want the aircon on, nice comfy seats, great audio system.
Street performance.
That's it. Perfect.
So what with that,
Yeah,
I think we should get back to the shed and make ourselves a little plan.
I think so too. Cup of tea.
Lovely. What's the plan then, Jules?
Maintenance.
So oil filter, take all the dents out, bodywork, that's cool. What's next?
Chassis.
Chassis, so suspension, brakes, and, well, got to have a set of wheels, haven't we?
Yeah.
What's after that?
Tuning.
Tuning, so I reckon maybe forced induction, definitely an exhaust, definitely a bit of a remap. What's after that?
Interior.
Yeah, so, bit of a retrim, I think.
Yeah.
That's in order. What's next?
Audio.
Audio, oh, we could do a great system on this car, there's loads of room. Anything else?
Styling.
Oh, styling, oh, that'd be nice. Bit of a wrap, maybe some carbon. I think there's plenty we can do there. So, as always, we've given ourselves a whole lot more than we thought to get on with.
Yeah, but that is for the next episode.
So make sure you like, subscribe and share.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell.